Hi there, beautiful souls. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Oluffunke. You can call me Oluffunke or you can call me Funke, however you please. I am receptive of both. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful voluminous bomb curls on your body wave hair. You can also do this on your straight unit, but I highly recommend that you do this on body wave unit because of the texture and the body that it's gonna give. I also have a eating gem to take this process even a step further. Listen, we're going to be slaying this unit and you're not ready, so you want to make sure to watch to the end of the video so you can receive that gem that I have for you in this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down what you think in the comment section below. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss any of my future uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Let's get into the tools that you need in order to achieve this look.
First off, make sure that you're working with good quality hair. This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. No, this is not sponsored. I've been using them for years and I always get good quality hair from them. So I will list all of their details in the description below. Good hair definitely equals better curls.
Get yourself either a curling iron or a curling wand, a hot comb, a heat protectant, a finishing spray, a finishing serum, a wax stick, a white brush, a white comb, a rat tail comb, some pins to pin up your curls, duck clips to hold up your hair while you're curling your hair. If I miss anything, I will definitely be linking everything that I used in this video in the description box. So now, let's get into the curling process.
Now you want to go ahead to give your hair a nice brush out with your white toothbrush. Go ahead and brush it out really nicely. Then you can proceed with your heat protectant. Go ahead and spray it all over your hair. This creates a nice barrier between the heat and your hair. Give it a nice brush all over again. And now you can go ahead with your wax stick at the top of your hair. This just makes the top of your hair extra flat. We want our wig to be flat. We do not want no bumpy wig. No. Now you can go ahead with your hot comb and begin to slick that hair down. As you can see, it is slicking down really nicely. This is gonna make the top of your hair really pretty. It's gonna make it really nice and flat, so this way you can avoid all of that bump. On the right side, I will be using the curling iron, and on the left side, I will be using the curling wand. You want to go ahead and take a nice chunk of hair, give it a nice brush out for smoothness. Take your curling iron and clamp it to the root of your hair and begin to twist around. Now you want to curl away from your face and not towards your face. As you can see, I am controlling the twisting with the knob of the curling iron. So you want to do this over and over again until you have all of your hair nicely wrapped on the curling iron. This is where you want to wait for about, I would say, 3 to 5 seconds. And now you can release your curls all in one. I like to release my curls all in one so I don't have to wrap it around together. Now you want to take your pin, the one I mentioned earlier, grab that pin, and then you want to pin the curls together so it can hold together. I'm going to show you this process all over again in a slow motion so you can get it. This doesn't have to be pretty. It could be messy. That's fine. Now I know you're wondering, how do I do it on my left side? Well, I'm about to show you. You repeat that process of grabbing a chunk of hair, clamp it to the front of the hair, starting from the root, and again you're twisting away from your face. So you just want to wrap it nicely, controlling it with the knob of the curling iron. It's really easy. You just have to practice. Trust me, by the time you practice 5 times, you will become a pro. So here we're doing the same thing. You twist it around, and here I am just waiting for about 3 to 5 seconds. When you're satisfied, go ahead and release the curls all in one like that. And when you're done releasing the curls, go ahead and grab the pin and you just pin up your curl, and that's it. The repetition clip helped you to follow thoroughly and slowly. I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my right side now using the curling iron, and I'll be back to show you how to do the curling wand on the left side. A piece of hair at the front of your hair. We'll be back to it. Now we're on the left side to do the curling wand method. So you want to go ahead and grab a chunk of hair just as we did. Give it a nice brush. Take your wand and put it at the back of the hair and just twist it around. This one is much easier than the curling iron. So just go ahead and twist it around. Make sure that you're wrapping it really tightly. Hold it still for 3 to 5 seconds, however you please, and then release the curls. Just don't hold the curling iron on the hair for too long. You don't want to burn your hair. So you hold the curls together and you just do the same thing. Go ahead and grab your pin and pin it on the curl, and that is it. Now let's do repetition. I hope the repetition clip of the curling wand method really helped you. Now I'm just gonna go ahead to finish up the rest of the left side of the curling wand, and I'll be back with the next step. Let's deal with the two pieces at the front. For my front section, I always like to have it a certain way. I like to have it fall to my face, and I want to show you guys how I get that. So you want to take your rat tail comb, go ahead and give it a nice clean brush. Make sure that you're swooping it together really nicely. Now, because we're on the right side again, we're using the curling iron, so I'm going to show you. You clamp your hair at the root, and this time around I want to twist upward, as you can see. Still doing the same controlling method with the thumb of the curling iron. I am twisting upward. Once it is nice and tight on the curling iron, go ahead and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. When you're satisfied, go ahead and release the curls gently. This does not have to be perfect. Again, it can be messy. We're still going to have to mess around with the curls. So now that you have it released, go ahead and grab your pin and pin it to your hair. And we're going to be doing the same thing for the curling one side. Side of the curls, we're going to be doing the same thing using curling wand. Go ahead and use your rat tail comb to give it a nice brush. Make sure that you're gathering all the hair that you can. Take your wand, put it at the back of the hair, and you want to twist around. Make sure that this is tightly twisted. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds and then release the curls. After releasing the curls, go ahead and grab a pin and pin your curl together. And that's it. I'm going to grab my finishing spray and go ahead and spray all of the curls all around. After this is done, go ahead and wait for 5 seconds, and then we can begin releasing the curls. When the heat is cooled down, you can now begin to release your curls by taking out all of the pins from your hair. After that, I like to go ahead with my hot comb and just flatten things out wherever things have been bumpy during the curling process. I'm also going to be using a lightweight serum to hold the curls together. Girl, you made it this far. If you're feeling this video so far so good, go ahead and give me a good old thumbs up. Now I'm taking my white tooth comb and brushing out my curls. I like to follow the same method and brush away from my face. And girl, do you see those curls? body, voluminous, bombshell. We're here for it. We love to see it. If you made it this far, well done, girl. Now to the final gem that I was talking about earlier in the video. You want to take the top of your hair, go ahead and grab you a pin and hold that top. You're gonna see where we're going, guys. Stay with me. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Give it a nice brush. You see how it's slowly falling to my face? I'm gonna go ahead and use that pin right there to hold the top of the hair right there. So now I'm also going to go ahead with my finishing spray. Any holding spray will do. Go ahead and spray that top part. Now it is time to release the pin, so go ahead and take it out. And girl, do you see what this is giving? That you cannot tell me I'm not Marilyn Monroe, girl. You, ooh. Now I'm just brushing it all along, and honey, we are ready to take over the world.
These curls are so beautiful. It's definitely voluminous. It's giving body. It's giving bombshell. It is so bomb. These are some really good bomb curls. It is so pretty. It's definitely giving me grown and sexy vibes too, and I'm so here for it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to comment all that you think in the comment section below. Go ahead and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. We are growing and I'm really excited. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss any of my future uploads. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I hope that now you're confident to go ahead and get yourself a nice bump curl, girl, on your Bodywave hair, okay? But yeah, guys, that will be all for today. I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye, beautifuls.